Hey everybody, it's Melissa Feetsum today, and we're going to have some fun. So basically, here's the deal. We have a Canva tutorial where I am going to teach you how easily you can make bundle graphics for your business. So it doesn't matter what business you're with, you are going to be able to create some really great product bundle graphics that you can share in your parties, in your customer group, all that kind of thing. So if you're just joining us, be sure to share this with all of your friends so they can see too. So why do I want to teach you how to make these awesome graphics? So you won't steal mine. I want to make sure that everybody knows how easy it is to make these graphics so that we can all have our personal content out there. And we don't have to cover up logos and do those things that you shouldn't be doing. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. And my best friend, Christina Rubrick, she's kind of challenged and she wanted to see how to make some folders and things like that. Hey, everybody. Hey, Tony. Hey, Lori. Hey, Amber. Hey, Christy. Gretchen. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So let's jump over here and we are going to go to Canva. So I'm going to show you basically, see these cute little graphics right here. So I created a bunch for our team and they are so super easy to make that I want to show you how. So basically, we're going to come over here and let's show Christina how to upload folders because she wanted to know how to put folders into Canva. So let me show you that first. So basically you take this, let's see, you have to make a folder and you have to download all your products, all your company's products into that folder. Okay. So I have every product that you can think of, and I label them all by their name. So I'll have Cool Clip 1, Cool Clip 2, Cool Clip 3, so that when I'm searching for a particular product in my folder, I can type it in the search bar right here and they all pop up. So it saves you time if you download all those product images and then you actually name them, okay? So we've got all of our product images in our folder, and then we're going to go over to Canva, and I'm going to show you how to create these folders. So we're going to use an Instagram size post, and I'm going to show you these folders. So if you click Uploads, and you can see New Folder. So click New Folder. And you can see all these different folders that I have. So let me actually find a product that isn't in there. What should I say? I think we have thermal totes. What do we not have in there? Hanging. Do I have that? Oh, let's just put hanging. Okay, so we're going to put hanging, traveler. I was trying to find something I can't spell. Traveler case. Okay, so you hit enter, you name that folder, and then you click on that folder and you upload images. So then we'll go to my spring catalog and type in hanging, and look, we're going to upload these 3 pictures. Oops. Okay, I don't know what that was about. I think Canva's having some upload issues right now. So that's how you make folders, okay? So let's go back over here to uploads. So you click on uploads and then you click on that, and it's going to show you all of your actual folders. So I want to add this. I'm going to create a product bundle now. So here's this. Now, if you double click on this, see this little box that pops up? It's a crop box. So I can crop the wallet and hit the check mark. Now there's my wallet. Now let's add a purse. So let's go find the little dreamer. Ain't she cute? So here's a little dreamer. Now double click and let's crop that bad boy. Just go like this to the edge of the product, crop, and go like this, okay? And let's put that there. Now, let's type in here, banner. Hit enter. And I'm going to use a plain banner. Doesn't matter which one you do. So we're going to put that up there. And then we're going to go like this to enlarge it. So you just drag that thing right there. Now let's click on the text and put $60. Now, I don't know how much this is, so don't quote me and don't yell at me for the price. So I clicked on this and I just want to change the font. So we're going to change the font and we're going to make the price bigger. You can shrink this, you can do whatever you want. Okay. So we're going to say it's $60. And now we're going to click on text. Now watch how easy I duplicate this. You're going to love this. So now we want to say this is a Little Dreamer and Benjamin's. Okay. So we're going to click on this and make the text go to right center. And then here's my text that I'm working on so you guys can see. Now we're going to click on some kind of text, and I always use this one. And we're going to make the spacing so the text is closer together. Not too close. Then we're going to make that bigger. And then we're going to change the color. So you can see how this is coming together. Now I'm going to go back to my uploads folder and click on that just to get back to everything. And I'm going to click on my logos, and I've already made a logos folder. So I'm going to click our Team Trendy logo. I'm going to set it right there. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to fade that logo like that. Okay. There's my product bundle. Isn't that so easy? Okay. Now let me show you. You're going to go to File and Save. Okay. Now let me show you how to copy this and start a new one. So you click Make a Copy. And you've already got all of this done. So we're just going to delete this purse, delete this wallet, go back to our uploads, click on uploads. And now we're going to do a large utility tote and double click so we can crop that bad boy. Crop, crop, crop. And put that there. And then what else do we want? We want this. So we're going to put this thermal tote, double click, crop. And if you have the cropped images to begin with, you're one step ahead of me. Okay, there you go. Just type that, put that wherever you want it. And then what you want to do is take your logo, hit arrange and forward so that it's showing. So we'll put that there. You got your large utility tote. You got that. And there's your next bundle. You're already done. You just change the price and change that. So how easy is that to create a bunch of bundle pictures? Like, that is the easiest thing in the world to do. And you can do it with any company. You can really just do whatever you want with these. There's so much fun. And I love it. So if you have any questions, I'm trying to think in my head, it's not working. I'm trying to think if there's anything else in Canva pertaining to those, but that's really how simple it is. It is really simple to make your own bundle pictures like that. So if anybody does have any questions, please let me know. But I would love to see your trial pics. So if you create something for your business, make sure that you watermark it, because you do not want people to take your photo and upload it 1,000,000 times to Facebook, and then you go to Facebook jail because everybody stole your picture and uploaded it. So be very careful that when you create these, you watermark them. Watermark your photos. And then I want to see your examples below. I want to see everybody's creations, your mad genius creations today. And just know that it takes time. You're going to get better with every single graphic that you make. Every single one of them, you will get better and you will learn. And this video teaches you exactly how to do it. So you're golden. So I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see what you guys create. Talk to you guys later. Bye.